Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless wig, so stay tuned. So this package is from Nadula Hair Company. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I received. So I got 2 wig caps, 2 melt bands, some eyelashes, a makeup brush, a satin bag, and of course the wig itself. So this wig was 24 inches long. It was body wave texture, and it was a pre-cut closure wig. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. It was already cut for me. It blends with my skin. So as you can see, it has a ventilated wig cap. You can scratch your scalp. You don't have to deal with you can't reach the scalp, because we already know how that feels. So we have 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back. It also has an adjustable band to help with it being glueless. And there was also a silicone strip at the back to help with it not sliding. But this is how the wig is looking, guys. It was nice and long. So yeah, stay tuned for the install. So my hair is braided back into 6 braids, and they're nice and flat. I'm just going to put on my wig cap over my braids, and I like to just slide it back a little bit behind my hairline. And then I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer, and I'm just going to spread it on the top portion of the wig cap, and also on the inside portion of the wig itself. Once that's done, I am just going to adjust that adjustable band that's in the wig to help it fit my head really snug. So you want to go ahead and play with it to see how it fits your head, and if you need it to be looser, if you need it to be tighter, that's what that band is there for. And once that's done, I just put it on my head, and that is that, guys. So I felt like there was a little bit too much lace at the front, so I wanted to cut it closer to the hairline. It is your choice. This is a preference thing. I don't like a lot of extra lace still sitting there, so I went ahead and cut a little bit off. And once I did that, I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to make that closure section flatter. So I'm going to part a piece of hair on the closure, use my wax stick at the root part, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and slick it down. That way the wig just lays really flat. So once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and style my wig, but I'm just showing you guys that this wig is on, but it is completely glueless. So as you can see, I can put it on and take it off. But I'm gonna go in with my waver, and I love using my waver when I have in body wave hair because it is so quick and easy to just freshen up the body wave texture. So I love using the waver when I have in body wave hair. So that's exactly what you see me doing now. I'm just going to be doing the front section because it already blends in with the body wave at the back. So I'm just going to wave the front portion and I'll be back. Alright, so once I finished waving the hair, I'm just using my comb and I'm combing out the waves to just give it a more fuller look. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer and I'm just applying the concealer with the back of my tail comb onto the part just so that it could look more crisp and defined. So this is how it's looking, guys. I'm just applying my argan oil shine spray and of course my olive oil sheen onto my hair, because that's just what I like to do when I am basically finished. So I'm just showing you guys that it is not glued down and you can put it on and take it off and it just looks the same. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I find this very easy. It is definitely for beginners. So if you are not used to wearing wigs and applying them, this is the wig for you. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sending this over. All the details on this wig will be down in my description box below, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something from it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.